Who is the Madcap Chef? Welcome, food lovers and kitchen wanderers. You've just stumbled into the wild and wonderfully wacky world of the Madcap Chef, where cooking is joyful, simple, and just a little bit mad. So who is the Madcap Chef? That's the fun part, it could be anyone. Sometimes it's a man with a whisk in his pocket and a look in his eye that says, "I'm gonna flambé," and it might go wrong. Other times it's a woman who sings love songs to her soup while barefoot dancing around the kitchen. And sometimes, it's both. A glorious mashup of chaos and culinary magic. The Madcap Chef is the spirit of every cook who laughs at a recipe, burns toast just for the smell, or firmly believes that garlic is a love language. Here, we don't chase perfection. We chase flavor, fun, and maybe a flying pancake or two. Kitchen mistakes aren't tragedies, they're memories, and often, they're delicious. What's this channel all about? This channel is your home for simple food done joyfully, meals that feel good, taste great, and don't require a culinary degree to pull off. No fancy ingredients with names you can't pronounce. No recipes that take 5 hours and a life coach to finish. No, if you don't own this $300 blender, don't bother nonsense. Just real food. For real people. Cooked with heart, humor, and maybe a few surprise sound effects. We'll help you master the basics. Boiling perfect rice. Frying eggs like a champion. Making toast that deserves its own standing ovation. Because everyone thinks they can cook simple food. But can they make it taste legendary? The Madcap Chef says yes, and we're going to prove it with a smile. And get ready, we've also got guest chefs. Unexpected ingredients. Random kitchen tools we found in a drawer and decided to give a starring role. Cooking with heart and laughter. Here's the secret recipe for this channel. 1 part food. 3 parts joy. And a whole lot of laughter. Because we don't just feed the body, we feed the soul. And sometimes, the inner child who really wants chocolate for breakfast. Our videos are short, sweet, and full of energy. We teach you the real way to make everyday food taste amazing, without acting like we're auditioning for a cooking competition. From midnight snack sandwiches to Sunday pancakes, we've got you covered. Whether you're a kitchen newbie, a snack ninja, or a professional I'll just wing it chef, you belong here. So grab your spatula, your apron, and maybe a fire extinguisher, we're not here to judge. Actually, we encourage silly apron dancing. It helps the flavor. Join the madness. Stay for the flavor. So, are you ready to cook like you mean it? With flair, fun, and maybe a little flour on your face? It's time to hit subscribe, grab your favorite spoon, and jump into the joyful mayhem of the Madcap Chef. Don't worry, we've got your back. We'll cheer for your egg flip victories. We'll laugh when you accidentally turn into a ghost after a flour spill. Expect real food, real flavor, and real fun. Food that feeds the belly, warms the heart, and gives your taste buds a standing ovation. So roll up your sleeves. Stir with a smile. And remember, you don't need to be a pro to cook madly. You just need to be you. Welcome to the Madcap Chef, where every dish comes with flavor, laughter, and just a dash of joyful chaos. Let's make cooking the happiest part of your day. And that's a wrap from the Madcap Chef kitchen. If your spatula's smiling and your taste buds are tingling, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and share the flavor-filled chaos with someone who needs a little joy today. Remember, a food is more than fuel. It's laughter. It's love. It's messy. And sometimes, it sticks to the ceiling. But that's the magic. And that's why we cook. So stay curious, stay hungry, and most importantly, stay just a little bit mad. See you in the next kitchen adventure. Bye for now.